Hi, my name is Patrick. This video is to tell you about a seminar that we're planning to have at Wellington College, Matunga, Mumbai on 16 January. The focus of the seminar will be how to prepare for CAT 24, right? CAT 24. So it will be conducted by Arun Sharma, CAT wizard, past man, background, author of the best-selling book for CAT, and me, Patrick, has scored a 6 times CAT 100% dialogue. So we'll be holding a seminar together basically to tell you how to prepare or crack the CAT 24. So just to give you information about it, right? So this is a brochure or sort of thing, poster. So where we'll be focusing on the seminar held on 16th as such at Wellington College. So if you're there in Mumbai, you can be there. We may hold a seminar in the future somewhere online, but as of now, this is a seminar. So why the seminar? I mean, there are a lot of information floating around as to how to prepare, what to do. What we thought is let us come up with something where we can provide the right approach in terms of cracking the CAT. I mean, you can prepare for the CAT. There is no harm in preparing for the CAT. But there's also always a right approach and a wrong approach. A lot of people or students prepare really hard for CAT, but they don't see their scores improving or don't see improvement. So that's where we try to see as to how you can, with whatever approach that you work on, can improve your score and help you to crack the examination. So seminar is focused on how to prepare for CAT 24. So what does CAT test you on? The first step to crack CAT is to understand CAT. What is it? What is the exam all about? So we'll first try to decode CAT. See what does CAT normally try to test you on. A lot of people believe that it is mathematics and English. No. CAT normally tests you on your managerial skills, your logical ability, your ability to work under pressure, etc. So we'll first decode that. Okay. Then based on that, what do you need to focus on in order to ace the CAT examination? Okay. So that is the next. So basically, the idea is to crack the examination. Based on that, we look at the preparation strategy. What could be a preparation strategy for different kind of students? Okay. And then maybe give you a rough daily schedule what you can make for the preparation. And if you're a retaker, it means if you've written a CAT before, what is the strategy you can follow? So this is a rough schedule in terms of what we are planning to discuss during the seminar. And we'll have question answer session where we'll try to answer whatever queries you have with regards to preparation. So seminar will be held at Wellington College, Matunga, 16 January at 7 p.m. Okay, so WhatsApp your name, education background to 9821314788 if you're interested. Or you can fill the Google forms mentioned out here. Link will be put in the description. So you can fill the form to register for the seminar. Right? Thank you and see you at the seminar if you're there.